Transforming your designs with the perfect font can be the difference between GOAT and unforgettable. And today, we're diving into exactly how to master text in Adobe Photoshop. Alright, first things first, let's create a new document or open an existing one where you want to add text. Then, find the Type tool in your toolbar, usually represented by a big, bold T. Click on it, and your cursor will transform. Ready to type. Now, let's select a font. Click anywhere on your canvas, and type your words in the options bar at the top of the screen. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Font Family. Click on it to open up the font selection menu, where you'll find all the fonts installed on your computer. Scroll through this list, and take a look at what you like the best. As you hover over each font, Photoshop will give you a live preview of how your text will look, letting you experiment without committing. If you're not sure, type a descriptive word or phrase and change fonts to find the perfect match for your vision. Beyond simply picking a font, you can modify its appearance. Back in the options bar, you'll find options for font size and styles like bold, italic, and underlines. You can play with the values to get perfect look. For even more control, go to Window menu and select Character. The Character panel will open, giving you precise control over the font family, font style, size, kerning, tracking, leading, and even the vertical and horizontal scale of your font. Finally, go to the Layer Styles and at Effects. Using Photoshop's layer styles, you can add drop shadows, strokes, gradients, inner shadows, and more. With these tips, you're well on your way to creating stunning visuals using text in Photoshop. So, go forth, experiment, and have fun designing.